Welcome to the podcast. Please tell our audience your name and the name of your company.
Sure, yeah. My name is Chad Haney, and I am the CEO of Noviqu.
Noviqu, could you tell us what industry you guys serve?
Yeah, sure. Noviqu is a software company that works with manufacturers throughout the United States and world to help them with their safety, maintenance, training, and quality.
So you guys have created a software product. Now, do project managers use this, or do people that work on the line use this?
Yeah, so actually our platform is pretty simple compared to like ERPs, which is what manufacturers are used to working with. And so the managers that use it are going to be your training managers, your HR managers, your floor managers, and then it's really used for the floor employees to communicate better and more effectively with the managers that are higher up.
Gotcha. So it's a software product, and it helps to train people, let them communicate better.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And the name of your company is Noviqu, and where are you guys headquartered?
We're headquartered in Moberly, Missouri, which is a little town that no one probably knows about. So,
all right. So about how big is your company?
So right now we're setting up 4 employees.
Nice.
All remote now. So
that was going to be my next question. You read my mind. I was going to ask you, are you guys working in your office, or are you guys working remotely? And how are you liking that or disliking that?
Yeah, so we went remote about 4 weeks ago now. I think the hardest part is we are in rural Missouri, so a few of our employees are in areas that don't have the best internet. But honestly, we use Microsoft Teams for communication internally, and it's gone fine.
I see. So you guys have the problems of internet connectivity, but you're able to get past that, and you have a software company that you're supporting your customers. So now that we are, with the new normal, the Corona pandemic is, in full swing. How has this affected your business?
Quite a bit, actually. So, we're in the manufacturing space, and, sales, just to go down to the sales process, everything is kind of slowed down, right? Because a lot of people are doing a wait and see. Manufacturers aren't really wanting to take a risk or start a new project around software, at least with our product, until things smooth out a little bit. We've got a lot of warm, hot leads existing out there, but it's just kind of wait and see mentality around that. In terms of being able to support our current customers, that's not been an issue at all. I will say that most of our customers just seem extremely busy with handling, the new norm and the changes that's created within their own organizations.
I got it. So if I were a manufacturer, and I'm a critical manufacturer, and I'm building masks or PPE or anything to that nature, what would I potentially benefit, let's say, for engaging with your company?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So like I said earlier, we're a SaaS platform for manufacturers, communication tool / process digitization. That's the word I like to use. So anything that's manual or paper-based, we automate around the manufacturing spectrum, and those pillars of quality, training, maintenance, and safety. So for manufacturers currently, dealing with the changes that because of COVID, we help limit the amount of paper it's passing around. So, less touch points on the process. It allows for people to work from home and still be fully engaged with what's going on in the facility. That's where we see a lot of benefit. We're a cloud-based application, so the managers can work from home, still see all the trainings that's being completed, still see all the quality issues that may or may not exist, and the workflows that are happening. So it's a tool that allows them to gain instant information, instant knowledge, no matter where they're located at. It works on any device that has a browser.
I gotcha. So what size business are you guys most helpful in? And is it someone that has 50 to 200 employees, or is it 1,000 or more employees?
Well, honestly, our customers today, we range from, customers sitting around 50 to customers that are up in the multi-thousand, multi-facility range. I would say where you start to see a ton of benefit is going to be 100 to 200 employees at a facility and then up.
Good. So if I'm a manufacturer and I'm listening to this podcast and I'm thinking, wow, well, this sounds great, not having to have paper, not having to have as many manual interventions, being able to do things more remotely. What could you describe to us the process of, say, onboarding someone new so that it may, put some of their worries at ease? It's like, oh man, I've got to, start this new program. Do I need to download new software? That kind of thing. Do you have any plug and play turnkey solutions ready for these types of, customers?
Yeah, so our product is ready to go right off the shelf. What we like to brag about is that we are a Midwest-based company right here in the heart of manufacturing. And so what you get to do is you get to work directly with us. We're right in the same time zones that the most of our customers are. You can call us up, and so we're a very hands-on approach to the onboarding process. Within our system, there's a lot of pre-built importing that exists. So you can import from a comma delimited file or an Excel spreadsheet, but also anything that you're struggling with, you just call us up, send over the data you have, and we'll help you build it out and import it into the system so that, once everything's in the system, you're just ready to go. We do conversions from all previous systems that you've been in possibly. And then we also, the paper-based processes work very closely to you to build those out within our system as a form or a digital workflow.
Gotcha. So you're there to help them from soup to nuts, as the expression goes, and you're not going to be like, well, here you go, here's a product, learn it on yourself, learn it by yourself, and nice knowing you. It's going to be
right.
You're going to help.
Exactly. So all of our customers have my direct phone number, our customer success person's phone number, email addresses, and then we actually, you can ask for help right through a video or through a chat right within the app. So, we're constantly available.
Well, that sounds fantastic, and it sounds like something that's really needed and something that's going to be more necessary, as we go look into, third quarter, fourth quarter, as supply chains start to change, manufacturers start to change. Do you see this as being used in additive manufacturing as well as traditional manufacturing?
Yes, very much so. So, really, our product is kind of industry agnostic. Why we focus on manufacturing and even distribution and warehousing is that's where we have built up a good knowledge base as a company, and we know how to kind of bring in all that information to our system, right? So we can work within any industry, but manufacturing as a whole, anything that we're actually working with pharmaceutical companies as well with compounding software. We work in the food industry, so we're kind of all around that digitization of your paper-based processes in a manufacturing facility that is just making something.
Well, thank you so much, Chad. I can see that this is going to be something that's going to be really needed. Really necessary, and that's why I asked you about the additive manufacturing, is because I see more of those opportunities coming up as people are realizing that they're maybe sourcing something from a faraway distance where they may need that product, that solution, that material readily available. So it's good for people that are starting up new industries to perhaps start it up right and engage with someone like you and your product to ensure safety. So, Chad, how could people that are interested reach out to you?
The easiest way is just a email to me. It'd be chad@noviqu.com, and it's Noviqu. You can also just go to our website and reach out to us there. And then, of course, I'm on LinkedIn. So.
All right, Chad. Well, thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care.
All right, you too. Thank you.